Hello, YouTube. Kind of a different view today. Looking at this setup for the funeral detail situation, whereas you don't want it on my head. Oh my goodness. You think I move my head enough now? If you see me at a funeral tomorrow, you wouldn't be able to see nothing. You get seasick just riding along.
Oh, you didn't know?
Oh, well, we got you on a little bit different mount this time, and we're going to take you through city stuff, and we're going to talk to you about motovlogging. Somebody asked the other day, why do you motovlog? I guess with the new YouTube standards, you gotta clarify this. If you're not making enough money, they're going to get rid of your channel, and I don't know all this. Anyhow, a lot of people are saying, why do you motovlog? I motovlog because I love the crap out of it. I love the comments. I don't know, I just, they were laughing the other day because we were doing this funeral detail, and it was on the intercoms, on the Senas, and I was just saying random stuff, and he's like, why are you doing, I think I've ruined my inner monologue doing this motovlogging crap. How about that? Yeah. Oh. But no, I motovlog because the comments, the people. I actually started motovlogging, and you guys have probably heard this story before, but I'm going to tell it to you anyways, because I'm taking you with me, and well, unless you hit that stop button, you're going to listen to it. I motovlog because, I don't know, a few years ago, we was headed to Rolling Thunder, and we had this couple that used to go to Rolling Thunder with us all the time. There was my best friend, my wife's best friend, and 2 or 3 couples that would kind of come and go at different times. Oh, this one older couple, Dave and Brenda, love them to death. They wasn't going to be able to make it. So my brilliant idea was, hey, let's get one of these cameras and let's take them with us. And it's where the whole I'm taking you with me came from. Couldn't pick that one up. Anyhow, so I got this camera, and then a buddy of mine says, hey, I want to go out to Colorado and ride this road called Skyline Drive. And he told me about it, and I'm thinking, okay, yeah, that sounds awesome. Let's do it. So I had another place for the camera. So now I'm starting to build these videos. And I mean, I'm just, sending them here and there, just sharing them with friends of mine. And it's nothing too big, nothing too serious. And it's kind of taking up space. Because videos aren't necessarily pictures, they take up a lot of space. What am I going to do with all these videos? My wife says, make a YouTube channel. So that instead of, giving them to the people you want to share them with, they can just go on there and find them. Yeah, that's a pretty cool idea. So next thing you know, I have a YouTube channel. I'm known for my stash, so I figured I'd just run with that. it became Mr. Mixdash. And then we discuss topics sometimes. Other times I just ride and let you see the scenery. So it becomes meanderings. So Mr. Mixdash's motorcycle meanderings is born. And here we are. Oh, I probably should went down there. There's some good turns down there. Excuse me. So that's how this whole thing started. Then I went public, if that's what you want to call it. Found out about spam cards, stickers, T-Vestas, and Modines, and HDRs, and Minkos, and Lawsons, and NEP, Redbeard syndicates. I found out all. I'm like, you know what? I can do this. So I did. Still don't have stickers. Still don't have stickers. I have spam cards. I'm working on a t-shirt, a hoodie to be exact. Yeah. I think Mom's going to give me that for Christmas. But I just do it because a couple of people saw my videos and made some comments, and it was kind of nice. So I kept doing it. And then I committed to having videos out every Tuesday. And here we are. Tuesday's coming and I don't have a video, so I'm out riding. Well, I honestly did a funeral this morning, and motorcycle picture game is running, and it's an inflatable. So I figured, you know what? I got all dressed up in this. It's 22 degrees this morning. Excuse me. Got all dressed up in this. I'm going to take advantage of it because it actually warmed up quite well. It didn't warm up quite nice, but it did warm up, and because I'm layered, I'm doing good. So there you go. My video response to why do you motovlog? For the comments, for you guys. That's why I continue to do it. So, there you go. I hope this finds you all well. This is Pearl Harbor Day, Remembrance Day. Check on your buddy. Love on your family. Keep it rubber side down. And until next time, this is Mr. Mixdash. I'll be seeing y'all. Bye-bye.